Hey team, just finished today's training and I'm gonna do my stretches. So I thought, I could share with you my daily stretch flow routine, and this is a very good routine that you could do to increase your flexibility as well as general use for post workout, just cool down, and I hope you enjoy. So the first stretch we're gonna do is legs extended, toes pull back, and stretch. Hands forward, head down, and we hold for a 20-second count. I stress breathing deeply and thinking about relaxing the muscles as much as possible while holding the stretch. Now we transition into straddled position. The legs are wide, as wide as you can get them. Toes still pulled back. Reach down the center. Taking a deep breath in, letting the ribcage expand and elbows dropped if possible. Allow the spine to round, and again breathe deeply and maintain deep breaths, counting for 20 seconds again. I'm gonna go over to my right side. I think about my forehead to my knee or kissing my thigh, both arms extended down my right leg, maintaining the same 20-second count, and always stressing on controlled deep breathing. Now extend the left arm up and over, chest forward, while the right arm stretches to the opposite side. This stretches really to open up shoulder girdle, rib cage, thoracic spine, and obliques. Now we move to the opposite side. Forehead down, both arms extended, maintaining deep breath. Really try to relax and enjoy the stretch experience. It's always recommended to stretch to the point of a sensation that is not painful. You realize we just switched into the chest forward, left arm over and extended, while the right arm goes into the opposite direction. Nice deep breaths. Here we go. Arms wide, and now you should get further down. Try to get the forehead or forehead down to the ground. Nice big stretch, deep breaths, 20 count. As I said, this is a stretch routine that flows one into the other that you can repeat on a regular basis, either on your rest days or post workout. Now I'm gonna stretch my glutes. So I have my left leg bent at the knee and crossed over ankle over the right thigh. I use my arms for support while driving my hips down towards my planted foot, which is my right leg. Automatically, the moment you bend your knees, you should feel that stretch in the glutes. Nice deep breaths. We switch legs. Notice this is the right side. Knee bent. right ankle by the left thigh, hips down, stretching that right glute set muscles, getting the glutes or hips down towards the left ankle, supporting with the arms. Nice deep breaths, maintaining that 20-second count. I'm gonna roll on my side. This is an amazing stretch for the lumbar spine, the lumbar vertebra. So I have my left leg over to my right side, bent at the hip and the knees, right arm supporting the knee while I look over my left shoulder, and my left arm is extended horizontally on my left side. A lot of times you do this stretch and you'd feel the readjustment sensation along your spine, and that's normal. You also may feel very tight in this position. It's all where you can manage the sensation. You don't want to feel pain. I just switched over to my right side, so now my right side or right leg is over on my left side, supported by my left hand, and my right hand is extended horizontally while I look over my right shoulder. All maintaining that 20-second count and deep breaths. Transition onto my stomach, supporting my head with my left arm, holding my right above the ankles, pulling my ankles to my butt, and I also stress squeezing your butt cheeks together, driving your hips into the floor. This allows for not only the quad stretch, but it also allows for opening those hip flexors. Nice 20-second count. Switch sides, so you'll notice I'm holding just under my left ankle. This also allows for stretch in the dorsiflexion muscles. Remember, tight butt, hips into the floor, 20-second count. I call this the worshipper's stretch. Knees bent, hips bent, thinking about sitting the butt back onto the heels, head dropped towards the knees while the arms are extended forward. Let the weight of your body relax and allow the stretch to occur naturally. Nice deep breaths. Now we transition into that upward position. Again, we use the weight of your body to administer the stretch. Just think about deep breaths. In this case, my environment is very calming, very windy day. So I'm enjoying, after a challenging workout, each 20-second count in each position. It's relaxing. I adjusted my feet position, so getting some stretching under the soles of my feet, or the base of my feet. Very similar stretch, just a very little tweak. If any one of you are suffering from plantar fasciitis, this stretch can help. Transition into the frog stretch for the groin area. So you're up on your toes, knees bent, using your elbows into the inside of your knees and elbows drive the knees outward. This stretches the inner thighs, and again you allow your weight to naturally administer the stretch. Another groin stretch is the butterfly stretch. Sit tall and press the knees wide using your legs. You open, sit tall, look forward, nice deep breaths, and your hands supporting the ankles or your feet. As you can see, the wind is really blowing all around me. This is a good stretch for the triceps. One arm up and over, while the other arm pulls to the opposite side. Always try to maintain the chin off the chest and looking forward, sitting tall. Maintain that count and those deep breaths. Arms locked, fingers locked actually behind the back, and you raise your hands as high as possible while maintaining that upright position. Naturally, as you raise, your body would want to round and your head drop. As you can see, I maintain that upright position, looking forward. Stretching my arm or forearm flexors. Right arm is extended, now left arm is extended. Supporting with the opposite hand across the palms and holding the fingers. Now we go into the extenders of the hand and forearms. Using that extra support from the opposite hand to administer the stretch. Again, I remind you to take nice deep breaths, roll the wrists out, and stretch my neck muscles with some gentle assistance from my hands. So I look over my shoulder, just secure, and give a bit of an extra stretch with my hand, looking over my left and then my right. You don't have to do it in the same left and right sequence as I am. I'm gonna go up. Again, I remind you, you're using your hand to assist and support. Your intention is not to stretch aggressively. You should not be in a lot of pain, or I would say pain. You will feel a bit of discomfort while stretching. Again, now we're gonna do downward stretch of the neck. Using the hands again to apply and administer the stretch. Chin into the chest, head down, using the arms to pull down. Thank you guys for looking at this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like,